Hi guys, continue from the previous tutorial. Today we will do a weather display on e-paper using Raspberry Pi. Before that, please like, share, subscribe, and press the bell to get the latest update from us. I'm using the same hardware setup as last week's tutorial, and I remote the Raspberry Pi using VS Code. This tutorial will involve two program files, so I will create a new folder under Documents, e-paper weather station. Then I will create the first file called weather.py. And the second file is weather_graphics.py. Weather graphics will handle the graphic on e-paper. You can use the simple program in Cytron tutorial page. Next, we need to register at openweathermap.org. Because we will get the weather data from there. So go to the website and register. It is free. After register, you will get the token or API key. For example, this is mine, so copy it and paste here as an open weather token. Here, the location is Kuala Lumpur. You can change it. Go to the website and click on Maps. You can search the available cities. You can zoom for more cities. For example, I will choose Muar Town. Done edit, save the file. This program is using Meteocons font, so we need to download it. Write this command. We have downloaded the zip file and unzip it. Now we need to find meteocons.ttf file, cut and paste in the same folder of the program files. You can delete all the unnecessary files. Now we should have 3 files, 2 program files and 1 font file. So let's run the program. Sudo python 3 weather.py. You can see the output here. It is trying to grab the data from the website. This simple program will update the weather data and display on e-paper every 5 minutes, and it is just involve black and white color. So that's all for today. I'm Idris from Cytron Technologies. Good luck and thank you for watching. See you next year.